Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're going to break down Bitcoin, looking at both the news and the technical data to try to understand what's happening right now and where Bitcoin might go next. Right now, the news is full of talk about Bitcoin and crypto. Donald Trump has recently announced plans to appoint pro-crypto candidates to key positions in financial agencies, leading to speculation of a more friendly regulatory environment. This, along with the news of spot ETFs gaining momentum, has fueled a massive rally in the crypto market, pushing Bitcoin to new all-time highs above $88,000. Let's take a look at the chart data to see if we can find any correlations with this news. Looking at the daily chart, we see that Bitcoin has been on a steep upward trend for the past few months. After breaking through previous resistance levels, Bitcoin has established a new support zone around $80,000. The recent news surrounding Trump's policies and spot ETFs appears to have fueled this momentum. However, it's important to remember that Bitcoin is a volatile asset and the market can swing quickly. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a better understanding of the current price action. The 1-hour chart shows that Bitcoin has been trading in a relatively tight range in the past few hours. We see a series of smaller candles, suggesting a consolidation period after the recent rally. This consolidation could be a sign of a potential pullback, but it could also be a period of accumulation before the next leg up. Let's examine the 15-minute chart to see if we can identify any potential breakout points. On the 15-minute chart, we see that Bitcoin has been bouncing around a few key price levels. Resistance appears to be forming around the $87,500 level, while support is holding at $86,000. A break above the $87,500 resistance level could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. However, a break below the $86,000 support level could indicate a short-term pullback. It's important to monitor the volume and trading activity to confirm these potential breakouts. Let's go back to the daily chart to see the bigger picture. The daily chart shows that Bitcoin has been on a sustained uptrend for a long period of time. There are no immediate signs of a major reversal on the daily chart, suggesting the bullish trend may continue. However, we need to be aware of potential resistance levels in the future. Looking at the historical data, we can see that Bitcoin has faced resistance around the $90,000 and $95,000 levels in the past. It's possible that these levels could act as resistance again in the future, especially if the market experiences a pullback. Now, let's take a closer look at a specific range of candles on the one-day chart, focusing on the past 2 weeks. This range highlights Bitcoin's recent surge, where it broke through multiple resistance levels. The volume during this period was significant, further confirming the strength of the bullish momentum. Looking back at the news, we see that this rally coincides with the increasing adoption of Bitcoin and the positive sentiment around the Trump administration's crypto policies. However, there are some concerns about the lack of liquidity on exchanges, which could potentially slow down Bitcoin's ascent. In summary, Bitcoin is currently trading at an all-time high, fueled by positive news and a strong bullish trend. Key price levels to watch are $86,000 for support and $87,500 for resistance on the 15-minute chart. On the daily chart, we see a strong bullish trend, with support at $80,000 and potential resistance levels at $90,000 and $95,000. The lack of liquidity on exchanges could potentially slow down Bitcoin's climb, but the overall bullish trend appears to be intact. It's important to monitor the news and the charts closely for any signs of change in sentiment or trend. Keep an eye on the volume, trading activity, and potential breakout points to make informed trading decisions. Remember, this is just a technical analysis and the market can be unpredictable. Always do your own research and manage your risk.